Hello everyone, today I will show you how to redact part of a document or part of a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here and select redact text and images already selected and click on this arrow and select properties option and click on this appearance option. Here you can see this reduction color. I select this color. Now select OK and drag your mouse cursor for it and see this reduction color now added. Also redact this text and finally select apply. OK and save your folder. And see this part of document now redacted. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.